They're not judges, they're community volunteers.
I want to welcome you to Diversion. My name's Michelle, and this is Terry, and that's David, and we three are volunteers who've been trained by King County Superior Court.
Their job is to work with kids who've gotten into trouble and hold them accountable, not in a courtroom, but in their own community.
But you know, you can still get in trouble for being an accomplice, right?
Mm-hmm. They're the ones that listen to your case and read your police report and decide how you can best be held accountable for your actions and also make up for it within your community.
This board serves the Renton community. It's one of 23 boards around King County. Prosecutors often divert juvenile misdemeanor cases here instead of sending the case to a regular judge.
We were like trying clothes on and stuff, and we ended up in the same fitting room. I took a few things, and she took a lot of things.
Kids do dumb things, and I think everyone can probably imagine or remember when they were a kid and threw some eggs at someone's house or maybe shoplifted a candy bar. And diversion allows for a particular individual to be held accountable, but maybe not as formally as the court system would.
Any time a youth doesn't have to come before me, it's good. Coming to juvenile court and facing justice usually means that there was a problem. There's been a lot of pain and unhappiness and consumption of time and resources. Coming to court generally is not a good thing.
What's your grades like?
Have good grades.
We take the time to get to know the kids. We get to know what's going on in their school. We talk a little bit about the family. We talk about, what their interests are and what their plans are and how this will affect them on a long-term basis.
If it was your purse, what would you feel if someone had taken your purse?
We show the kids who we meet with that the community cares about them, that the community doesn't approve of the choices they've made, and the community wants to help them figure out a way to make things right so they can put it behind them.
Making it right might include restitution for victims, apology letters, community service, anger management, or anti-shoplifting classes. The boards work with the kids and their families to create a diversion agreement.
Okay, after talking amongst ourselves, we come with the following consequences for your actions. First, we're going to ask you to complete 10 hours of counseling.
When the kids successfully complete diversion, they can opt to have their criminal history destroyed. Their past mistakes don't have to follow them.
Bottom line is it works. Whatever we're doing, whatever philosophy we use, whatever approach we take, it works. Our kids get in trouble less, they generally don't come back to us, and 95% of them complete diversion successfully.
Paying back and moving on is what diversion is all about.
You made a mistake. Put it behind you. You got a lot of growing to do.
For information about volunteering in the diversion program, please call 206-296-1131 or visit online, kingcounty.gov/courts/Superior Court.